This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jamie.Kudary. Welcome to the 55-plus community of West Neck with tree-lined streets and plentiful amenities. Association dues includes clubhouse with fitness center, entertainment space, card room, library, kitchen, and general ground maintenance. Community offers social clubs and organized activities. Beautiful heated outdoor pool with ample entertainment area, fire pit, and flexible seating. Pool membership is additional at $330/household for the season. Beautifully cared for neighborhood with ponds, fountains, and lit trails. This home is set up with a primary ensuite on the first floor and another ensuite on the second floor with a large living area/flex space. The office is the third bedroom. All appliances convey, security system and in-ground irrigation system. Enjoy the sunroom with back patio and retractable awning. Community living awaits. July 26, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Jamie.Kudary at 757-217.